Hello, dual enrollment students. Today we are going to learn how to fill out the Dual Enrollment Authorization form. To begin, you're going to go to collegeofthedesert.edu, which is the College of the Desert homepage. Once you arrive here to the landing page, you're going to begin by clicking the Admissions button in the top toolbar. Once you click the Admissions button, there's a menu on the left-hand side in blue. You're going to scroll down and click on High School Concurrent Enrollment. From here, you'll scroll down under How do I sign up for courses? Number 5 says Submit the High School Dual or Concurrent Enrollment Authorization Submission. So you want to click this link here. And that's going to take you to this landing page. And in this landing page, you will see there's a link for a dual enrollment authorization registration form and a concurrent enrollment authorization and registration form. If you are taking a class at your high school, embedded in your high school day as part of your high school schedule, that is considered dual enrollment. And you will need to complete the dual enrollment authorization form. So you want to click this very top link. Once you do so, that's going to take you to the Adobe Acrobat Sign website, where you will fill in the fillable PDF form for the application and authorization form. Begin by selecting the current application school year, your current high school grade level, and entering in your own personal information at the top of the form. Being sure to enter your COD student ID number here. It should begin with a 0 and be 7 digits. You want to enter your current age, your current date of birth. Then you want to enter your personal email address here. So enter a personal email address in this spot. And then you want to click each of the acknowledgement statements on the form and make sure that you read each of these statements and you understand what you're doing in your dual enrollment class. Then you want to click here to sign the form, and here you just type your name for the signature and enter the date. At the bottom, you're going to select your current high school. You're going to enter the name of your high school counselor, as well as their email address. Again, you want to get this information from your high school counselor. Make sure that they know that you're putting their information down here on the form. Once you've completed all the required fields on the form, you'll see a blue button appear at the bottom of the page that says Submit. You want to click the blue Submit button. And when you do, it asks you who else is going to sign on the form. And the first person you need to enter is your parent and parent email address. So you want to enter your parent's first and last name, as well as their personal email address that they can receive this form for electronic signature. Then you're going to enter your counselor's name again and their email address. Again, you want to use your personal counselor that would sign off on this form. Then you click this little down arrow and you need to enter the principal or administrator contact on the form. And then once you do that, you're going to click Next. And it wants you to tell the document where the email will be sent. So put your personal email where it will go first here. And sometimes it won't ask this question if you've entered a correct email address at the top of the form. And then you're going to click Submit. And it says there's just one more step. We need to make sure that it's you. So we've emailed you a link. And they'll email a link to that email address that you put on the form. Check your email. Click on the form to verify your identity, and as soon as you do, an email will be generated to your parents' email address for their signature. Please make sure your parents know that this form is coming from Adobe Sign, and it'll actually say it's from Brian Thompson, and they would need to also look in their spam in case they don't receive it. Once your parent signs the form, the counselor will sign the form. And once the counselor signs the form, the administrator or principal at your school site will sign the form. And then all parties on the form will receive a completed and signed, executed document in the end. And then you're done. So that's how you complete the Dual Enrollment Authorization form.